In the digital age, every second counts. What if you could redefine efficiency? Introducing ADO Aviator, your next-level copilot exclusively on Microsoft Teams for Azure DevOps. Empowered by Azure OpenAI, ADO Aviator crafts templates grounded in best practices, ensuring your projects stand out. Our vision is to have a single bot that you can use to track top issues, get a bird's-eye view of your projects, or even edit an existing issue with ease. Let's dive into a brief walkthrough. On the front end, we've harnessed the power of Power Virtual Agent to craft intents, complemented by Power Automate for a smooth OpenAI integration. In the back end, we've leveraged prompt engineering to turn sample project templates into JSON structures. This generated code then syncs with a middleware that communicates fluently with ADO APIs, ensuring each user command is executed without a hitch. And finally, we published the chatbot to Microsoft's Teams channel for the final deployment. The primary customers are developers and project managers working with Azure DevOps, looking for a more intuitive way to handle their tasks right from Microsoft Teams. While certain features are momentarily limited, our long-term vision emphasizes a conversational approach to managing ADO projects. A product like ADO Aviator can strengthen the ecosystem by increasing user engagement on Microsoft Teams and improving user experience on Azure DevOps. This can lead to higher adoption rates for both platforms, ensuring customers see Microsoft not just as a service provider, but as a solution-driven innovator. ADO Aviator, making project management not just efficient, but conversational. Experience the transformation on Microsoft Teams today.